Make sure you have at least 9 minutes.
Ahora mais ego.
Alright, what's up guys? Hope you are all doing awesome today. So in my last video, I showed you a cool free cloud alternative website that created by a developer from this man's country. But right after I uploaded it, a bunch of you dropped comment, bro, I can't log into this site. I am extremely sorry for that. Then I went ahead and checked it out. And turns out there was a backend issue on their site causing login error for certain devices. But trust me, when it works, it's legitimately as good as the real deal. Anyway, today I am bringing you another website
Oh my god, bro. Oh, hell no, man.
where you can access this completely for free for an full entire year. Now, is this offer open for everybody? Well, not exactly. If you are a student or if you know someone who's currently student, then you can get this. You can claim this full 1 year offer right now. But if you are not a student and you don't know any students, honestly, please leave the video right now. Because for non-student, this features is only free for 14 days per Gmail account. So if you qualify and want to get this setup, make sure you watch this video super carefully. Now let me show you the process step by step. So this is our GUI interface that we are going to use. Sorry, I forgot to change the theme when I was recording. So maybe you can't see the cursor clearly. Here as you can see, you can use all of these models for an entire year completely free. Like all Claude Sonnet model, GPT 5.2 and Gemini also. And from here you can directly use the terminal. So let me show you how you can use this terminal also. And here you can directly launch your Claude Code as I showed in my previous video. Let me uninstall it first so that I can show you the full entire process from scratch. So first of all, come to this website. This website provides a clean and smooth interface for free to use all models together. Here as you can see, you can check your code and create multi-project in a single platform. By clicking on this docs page, you can check all different other setup process. So if you want, you can check it out, because if you really want to learn something, you have to explore new thing by yourself. I don't know who said this, but this is a true fact. Now click on this sign up option. Here you have to sign up with your any normal GitHub account. So if you don't have GitHub account, simply check this two box and click on sign up with GitHub. Then wait for some time until it load the page. Here click on this continue with Google option and sign up with your normal Gmail account that we are going to use in default browser. Now open your Gmail and copy the verification code. Paste the code here and click on verify. After verification, it will redirect you to the main page. Here the sign up option will show as account. Now let me show you the main process. Next come to this Zed Education website. Sometimes you can't see this website from direct Google search. That's why I already provided all these links in my Telegram channel. You can check it out. Before dive into this, as you can see, this is my YT channel Krishna and you can check out these videos. From here you can join our Telegram community for new AI update and this all links. Already 400 plus brothers joined our community. So you can check out the link here. And as you can see, we need only 6 subscribers to reach the number 880. So please like the video and subscribe the channel if you are new in my channel and find it helpful. Now simply come back to this Zed Education website. Scroll down and click on this apply right now option. Then you will be auto redirect to this page. Here you have to apply for student 1 year free plan. Now we need the Gmail that provided by your institute. No matter whether you currently a student or not, and I know many of you still don't have this Gmail account, don't worry, just find a friend who doesn't know about this and ask them for their Gmail and password. I am not telling you to betray your friend, but I know that in every group, there are usually 2 or 3 people who are really interested in AI. So just go for it. Otherwise, you will have to stick with the 14-day free trial on your own Gmail account. Also, you can change your Gmail after each 14 days. Now here, put your Gmail, then fill up these two options, choose your city, then select your country where you are living now and click on this human verification box. After all of this, click on next. Here you have to put your verification code from your student Gmail account. So open your Gmail and copy this verification code and paste it here. Then click on verify. Wait for a few seconds. It will take some time. Then you will see this type of interface. Click on this go to download option. It will redirect you to this page. From here, download Zed desktop app as per your device. Don't click any of these options. Just wait for some time. Now let me show you the plan that you get from here. Here you can see the 3 plan that the website provide, and you will get this pro plan for an entire year. Don't worry, I will show you the student plan also. First of all, launch this Zed app as I am doing. If you want, you can read it and then click on this I agree option. Here, if you want, you can change your file location, but you don't need it. So just simply click on next. Now for a desktop icon of this Zed app, click on this desktop icon option. Then select next and it will auto launch the app. Just wait for some time. Then click on this finish option and it will auto launch the app. Then you will see this type of interface where you can change your theme. Also, you can customize the interface from here as per your requirement. Now I am going to show you the main process, so please don't skip this part. Now if you simply open your account billing page from this beside image pointed option, then click on this manage plan option. Here as you can see, I successfully get this plan for an entire year. Now pause the video and read carefully what you will get, and this plan will refresh in every month. Under student plan, you will get this pro plan also, and also you will get some more features. You can read it from here. Now before the end sign up setup, let me show you this interface because many of you can confuse with this interface. So for first time open this type of Zed agent tab, click on this corner pointed logo, and from this plus icon you can directly use terminal here, and this is one of the most cool features of this platform. Also you can run directly Cloud Code here, and if you already watched our previous video, so you know how to set up this for any paid and free API. And from this plus icon, you can add new agent tab and click here to launch the agent first time. From here, you can see your all previous chat data. It will save your all data even if you uninstall the app. Now for any changes, click on this three dot and open setting. And here in this AI option, you can add more agent and MCP servers. If you want, you can check out these options one by one. But now I am going to skip it. Now before start any project, make sure you add a folder so that your all project data will save in a particular file. And as you can see, we successfully add this client folder. Here you can directly add your external data like file, media, video, audio. But now if you click on this model option, you cannot see any model here because we have to sign up first. So for login, click on this sign in option. Then it will automatically open your laptop default browser and start authenticating. So make sure you already log in your GitHub account in your default browser. That's why before sign up in your default browser, open GitHub. Here log in with your normal Gmail account that we use at starting and simply sign in your default browser. As you can see, we successfully sign in our GitHub account. Now as you already log in our GitHub account, so that's why it will automatically authenticate. And as you can see, the sign up process is done successfully. Now come back to the Zed app, and from here you can check your account. As you can see, GPT 5.6 Luna model is already selected. So if I enter something, you can check it's working perfectly and fast. Now if I change the model and select Claude Sonnet 5, and don't worry about this, this is one single chat token limit. It will refresh in every new chat. As you can see, also this model is working perfectly. And in this way, you can use this all model Claude GPT Gemini Codex completely free for 1 year. And I know many of you till now thinking that it's not real, it's fake. That's why I created a full Minecraft game from a single prompt. So if you watching the video till now, please like the video and hit the subscribe button. As you can see, it's created a full Minecraft game and it's properly working. I already played it about 30 minutes. Like real Minecraft game, you can also here build or create something. And if you want to try this created game, just comment game and I will provide the link in my Telegram channel. And don't forget to comment the next video topic. So that's it for this today's video. Now if you want, you can check out these suggested videos. Stay safe, take care of your health, and bye.